Good day, Tantranics, or shall I say, Tantra players. I'm Bench, and I'm with my pet here, Devi. Say hi, Devi. I'm currently playing at tantraonline.com. Today, I'll be teaching you how to join a specific event here in our beloved server. This is the Walking Death event. This event is actually a leveling event where players has chance to gain higher experience. First thing to do is check the official website of tantra-online.com. Link is in the description below. From here, look for a schedule of events listed in their website and look for how much time is left for that Walking Death event will be activated. This is a daily event, so you have more chance of making your character level up faster, like I did. After checking on the website, next thing to do is wait. A broadcast will be posted saying the Walking Dead event has started. Run in front of Mandara town gates and a zombie will appear. He will not bite you. You can just click him and you will be teleported to the convention temple where all zombies are gathered. Be careful because all zombies here hit hard. It is better to ask assistance to higher level players to kill the zombies or form a party to clear all the zombies. Kill all of them until no one is left behind. This is important to consider that all zombies will be dead before you destroy the Kala located at the altar because the event will fail and you can continue to the next step. After all the zombies are dead, you can destroy the Kala. An announcement will be posted. Carrier Dungeon portal has opened. To access, click on the statue that is in the Colosseum in Mandara. GM announcement. You can now start to run to the Colosseum. A portal will be activated. Reminder, on this stage there are different levels and fees you need depending on what level you are. And also you must be level 30 and have a specific god of your choice. For low level players 30 to 76, the fee is 50,000 rupias. For mid-level players 77 to 824, the fee is 150,000 rupias. For high-level players 825 to EDA30, the fee is 250,000 rupias. At E31, you cannot enter the Carrier Dungeon because you're already maxed out. Inside the dungeon, you can either go solo or form a party depending on your preference of fighting. But for me, I go party because you can clear all mobs faster in the dungeon and it's more fun gaining new friends while leveling up. As you go in different levels of rooms, the stronger the mobs and the more experience you gain. It is better to wear your favorite costumes and bring your orbs and level up. So this marks the end of this tutorial. Again, I'm Benz saying have fun leveling up in Tantra.